Is that the... Oh
Are
my
they?
God, they're...
I gotta show this to my biology teacher.
Are you recording it? I think they're mating. What's it doing? And push-ups.
He keeps moving. Is it a boy and a girl?
Mm-hmm. The girls are smaller than the guys. Oh, it's a baby, but I don't think it's a baby. Stop crushing her. I think they're trying to mate.
Who's on top of who?
The guy's on top of the girl. I hope it's not a baby.
Do lizards mate or do they do eggs? And then they fertilize them. Mate, stupid.
I think they are mating.
They're just gonna sit there? WTF?
It's like on top of each other. I think she's trying to move away from it.
You should go poke them. No, I'm joking. Don't do it. Stupid lizards moving. Crap. I think they're like, she's watching me.
Alright, we're back.
What song are you listening to?
Huh?
I'm watching the lizards.
You're amazing. It is 12:15. I want you back here by 2 o'clock. Whatever you decide to do.
Hey, you stupid lizard. Stop moving.
There's two.
Did you do your paperwork?
Yeah. No, lizard, come back.
What's the other one? Oh,
It ran away.